website to sell clothes online. Hi guys, what's going on here? Tubeless here, and in this video I'm going to quickly be showing you how you can create a complete website for 100% free to sell clothes online. Guys, you don't need a domain, you don't need an hosting with this method that I'm going to be showing you. This is 100% completely free to do. And the interesting thing about this is you can create the website and go to a local boutique or local market around you, get a picture of those clothes they have there, come to your website, put the clothes on your website, and when you make a sales online, because online is actually the in thing that is selling right now, when you make a sales online, go get the clothes from them and ship the clothes to the person who bought the clothes, or if they can come and pick it up themselves, well, they come and pick it up and you make your profit and you give the owner of the store the profit, their own profit. So guys, what we're going to be using to build this complete website today is what I call builder all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link below this video that you're watching right now that is going to take you to builder all, so you can go sign up to builder, or you can use completely builder, or you can use it completely for free, 100% free. I've actually used this for free for so many times, but if you want to pay for, if you want to use it for additional method, is when you now get you want to use it for things like maybe you want to use it to build unlimited magazine. That's where you now start paying for it. If you want to use it to build a mobile app, because you can also use this builder to build mobile app. You can use it to build e-commerce website. You can use it to build a directory website like OLX, like a site like Craigslist.com, all those kind of sites. You can use it to build video funnel, canvas, video tag. You can use it to build transparent floating, 3D photo, mockup, animated VLA, click maps, SEO. You can use it to do SEO report. With this alone, people are making thousands online with this one alone. That you can just once you sign up for this, put people website on this list, and it's going to give you a report of the SEO of how the website is doing, and you can just download the report that this thing give you and send it to Google. Let me explain this to you how it works. This alone, when you click on this right now, it's going to take you that's not why we're here. I just want to quickly share with you. So you're going to put like maybe you want to get a report for Google website, you put google.com here. When you click here, put .com, it's going to give you a report of how Google website is doing in SEO. Then you can click the download of the report and send it to the owner of the website, which is Google owner, and those people can then pay you, or you can use it as a free service to get yourself into the door. So this is everything you can do with builder. So let's get down into why we are here exactly. So why we're here, so once you sign up with builder, or you can just come into this place and just click new builder, cheetah, drag and drop, click enter here right now. You click the enter button here right now. When we click the enter button, it's going to take us to this place right now. These are some of the sites that I've created right now, but you are not going to see any site here because you've not created any site. So you are going to see this, you're going to see this place, you're going to see create a new website, create this new, click this new create a new website, and it's going to take us to a place like this. When you click, when you create that, it's going to take you, it's going to say enter your site name and the description. Then when you get here, all you're just going to do is scroll down a little bit, then click site express. Site express, when you click site express right now, then you're going to scroll down and just look at different template that we have. You can see if you want to do a candy, you want to do a snack website, um snacks website, interior design, food truck, tourist. Guys, you can go to, if you have a forum on Facebook, you can go and even start talking to people on your Facebook page who have a business but don't have a website, and start creating all this website for them. People who have nightclub, bars, ice cream shop, financial, interior, and all that. Just go and, guys, these templates are already made for you. All you just need to do is just click preview. You're going to preview what this website is going to look like, just like the one I'm going to show you right now. So these are 100% made for you. This is a pizza website, a painter website. This is a credit recovery, financial. This is a photo for photographer. This is a weight loss website. All these things are already made for you. When you click preview right now, which I'm going to click very soon right now, you're going to see how this website is going to look like right now. You see, personal trainer. There are thousands of personal trainer on Facebook right now that you can go and talk to them. There are thousands of traveler health food sites, like bloggers who are health food site, that you can go and talk to and say you want to create a free a website for them. If they don't like it, you leave it and move on and go sell the website to somebody else. But you can create this website for them for free. There are 10 dentists, there are thousands, hundreds of thousands of dentists on Facebook right now. The same thing with Twitter, all social media. There are business owners there that you can go talk to right now and tell them you can create a free website for them right now. And when you create free website for them, share, just you can just copy the URL link for makeup artists. See, you just go to YouTube right now, you see millions of people are into makeup all over the world. Go talk to them, go to some makeup video on YouTube and start chat, go to the comment section and start talking to the makeup artists there, that you can create a free website for them and all that. So that's why we're here. So what we're here for is a clothing website is what we want to create. So let's click this interior design. Let's click this interior. Let's click preview. Let's see how this interior design is going to be. Click preview and it's going to take us here. So this is what the preview of the interior design is going to look like. You can see this is what the website that is made for you already look like. So all you're just going to do, if you have any interior person that you know, either on Facebook or something, or if maybe makeup industry you want to go, just click this preview and copy the link of this website and go share it with them. This is made for you already. This is 100% made for you. Once they said okay, they like this template that you share with them right now, then all you just got to do is then come and edit this, put their logo here, change this picture that is here. There is video that teach you 100% step by step how you can edit this. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not going to be taking you through all that right now. But there are videos that will show you how you can edit this picture, how you can edit this text, how you can click this button, make this button, all those things, how you can change this picture, change this text, how you can get testimony and your client testimony, how you can change all those things are there already. This is a newsletter. You can get people newsletter, and it also has autoresponder, that when people sign up here, it's going to go into autoresponder and going to send mail to them. You can set up the autoresponder also, and that's how this will work. Really guys, man, this is so simple. I'm going to share the link to Builder or down below right now, that you can start using Builder how to make money right now. Guys are making hundreds of thousands on Builder. When you get in, you're going to see guys that are making hundreds of thousands on Builder, or you'll be able to learn from them also what they are doing and how they are doing it, guys. So that is it. So if you want to edit this, okay, let's even say you want to edit this, you click it, it's going to take show you this blue and you're going to click save. Once you click save, it's going to take you there, guys. I don't want this to be too long, but here's what you can have right now, guys. So I think I'm going to stop here right now. If this is your first time getting into my website, my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button right now to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be bringing you awesome tutorial on YouTube right here. So please click the like button below, comment something below, let me know if you want to connect with me, if you need any question, ask me whatever question you want to ask me down below, and let me know what you think about this video and what you want me to improve more. Some people have been commenting that they are my volume is low, which I've tried to increase my volume on the video right now. So if my volume is still low, let me know down below. Let me know what you think about this video, so I can then work better on whatever it is that you want me to get better on. So guys, I so much appreciate your time for checking out this video. I'm going to put the link to Builder All down below right now, so you can go get Builder All right now and start using Builder All for free. Let me let you know again that you can do tons of things with Builder All. Look at so many things that you can do. You can build a website. I can also give you thousands of articles that you can use to build website right now. You can build website in hundreds of niches, and all this is 100%. You can start doing this to make money. You can build mobile app right now. You can go to businesses that don't have an app right now. Go to them, coffee shop around you, gym owners around you. Build a mobile app for them right now, and they're going to love it, because this app is so awesome, and they're going to love it. So guys, I'll see you next time till I come your way. I still remain your one and only Two Bless is what they call me. Don't forget you can get viewed out down below